We're going to try and work up 6 buckets of corn today. This is step 2. We put it in the water and we try to get all the little hairs off that we can. Well, not hairs, it's silks. So I'm going to show you how we take it off the cob. Mom does it this way in the hand, and I put it on this little bowl. And I take it off. Just get as close to the cob as you can, but don't cut the cob. Now, if you want cream style corn, you cut it off the cob like I'm doing here, and then you take excuse me see, there's still corn here. If you milk this cob, which we're not going to make cream style corn, but I'm going to show you. You milk this cob. There's a lot of cream comes out of this. And that's how you make cream style corn. And we'll do this and keep doing this until we get the corn cleaned up, and then I'll show you what we do next. This is how Mommy cuts hers. She just holds it in her hand. I personally would cut my hand off because I'm not good with a knife. But that's how she does her corn. Okay, y'all. We're going to do some bags. We're going to do some cut-off corn too, but I'm going to show you the bags that we do. Put it in a Ziploc bag and zip it up. And as you can see, you got air in it. We're going to open one corner of it and make sure the rest of it is all sealed, and I'll show you what we do. So you take your bag and you hold your corner that you got the hole open. You push the bag down in there. It pushes all the water, all the air out of the bag while it's down in there. Zip the rest of your bag, and it does like vacuum seal. Seals all of your corn up. See how tight that is around there? And there you go, how you vacuum seal a bag. As you see, as you push the bag down in there, you want to push the back down in and slowly let the front in. And what it does is it's pushing the air up and out to this little hole. And that's what makes it seal like that. And I just let the air out because I didn't seal it properly. So we're going to do it again. The bottom goes down, and as you can see, it starts wrinkling up. And that means it's pushing the air up through here. And you're keeping the hole out of the water in order to keep the water out of the bag. And there we go. Vacuum sealed. Okay. I wanted to go over a few ways of canning and putting up corn. Like you've seen, we put it in a bag on the cob. We're going to put the rest of the corn that we cut off like this in bags without cooking it or anything and freezing it. And then we put our butter and milk in it or whatever we want to whenever we heat it up. But I want to talk about canning just a little bit. And if you want sour corn, it's like sauerkraut, you do just like we did sauerkraut yesterday. You put a spoonful of salt in the bottom and a spoonful of vinegar, and you just fill up your jar and put the water in it. Use old can lids and taps and put on top and set it just like you do the kraut in a cool place. If you want canned corn, sweet corn, we know that you have regular corn, like out of the store, whole kernel corn, or you have cream style corn. So we're not going to can it, but I'm going to do this for you, and so you can see what I'm doing. But you put your salt in the bottom, your canning salt in the bottom, and then you put your corn in, fill it up. Now for this, you just want to pack it in with your hand. Okay, for this you want new cannon lids and new taps, okay? Then you're going to fill it up to water to the brim. You want headspace. Then you're going to put it in your canner with the lids on it. I ain't got a lid with me right now, but you're going to put it in your canner, and you're going to water bath it for 20 minutes on a 10-pound pressure. Now, if you want cream-styled corn, you're going to milk the cob. As you see, we don't use cream-style corn. We didn't milk the cob. But when you milk the cob and put it in here, you put butter. You can add butter in it, and then cook it the same way, 20 minutes on 10-pound pressure, and then you'll have cream-style corn. We make a corn relish, and it's corn, and then you chop up pickles in your big pan, and then just mix it up, and then you can use pickling spices, sweet pickling packet. I don't think we have one, but you can use those pickling packets, and you can pickle the corn that way. Those are the ways that we've used the corn. We've also cut it up and put it in bags with a cabbage and pepper and make like stir fry. We also take and can vegetable soup, where we'll chop up corn in one thing, cabbage in a thing, carrots in a thing, have a thing of peas, have a thing of just, you know, what you put in vegetable soup. And then we'll put it in the canner, and we'll do it the same way, 20 minutes at 10-pound pressure. We do about all of our cooking like that, 20 minutes, 10-pound pressure. Hope that helps everybody out there. Thank you all. This is the way we're going to do it for us. This is a serving for 4 people. And we will put this in the freezer. We'll flatten it out just like this, and we'll stack it on top of each other so we have more room in the freezer. All we do is cut it off, put it in the bag. We do not cook it. This is just raw corn. So whenever we get it out, we'll let it come up to room temperature in this bag. We'll put it in the cooker with butter and salt, pepper, and we'll go down on it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.